everyone, it's Roisin from CuriOdyssey, and today I want to explore all about community science. Community science is people-powered science. You might have also heard it called citizen science. Community science is when scientists get help from non-professional scientists, community members, to help them interpret data or collect data, take pictures of things, identify things in pictures. There are all kinds of fun ways that you can participate in community science. Today I'm going to show you 3 of those ways. We're going to learn about an app called iNaturalist, we're going to check out my favorite website, Zooniverse, and we're going to do a fun project called Invertebrate Hotels to learn about what lives where you live. I want to start by playing with a really neat app called iNaturalist. iNaturalist allows you to snap photos of any plant or animal or even fungus around you and just upload it. Later, if you check back, sometimes people will have helped you to identify it. iNaturalist provides our whole community with a lot of really valuable information about the types of animals and plants and funguses that are around us. It's a great example of how you can participate in community science. You can also help other local community scientists by looking at their pictures and suggesting what you think it might be. And the best part? You can use iNaturalist both inside and outside. When you're looking for small animals inside of your house, especially things like spiders, I know that I've noticed them in my bathtub before, so that's where I'm going to start. Score! I found a spider in my bathtub. I always love finding spiders inside because that means that they're there helping me out with my fruit flies and my mosquitoes. When you open iNaturalist, it's easy to snap a quick picture, and then you just have to submit a little bit of information like what you think it might be, and click submit. Obviously also going to let the spider outside because I don't think it can get out of the bathtub.
iNaturalist is great for a lot of things. It can help you to learn about what kind of plants, animals, and even things like funguses, like mushrooms, are living around you. I'm going to start by exploring in the grass here.
Take the time to slow down when you're looking for things outside. Look under things, look up, look all around so you don't miss anything. I found some stuff. These are banana slugs. I know they're banana slugs, but I'm still going to take a picture to record that they're in my area. And I've been wondering what type of fern that is for a long time. I even just noticed that you can record a sound, and if you listen, well, right now we only hear a car passing by. Oh. I've been hearing that sound a lot. I think it might be a woodpecker, but I'm going to try using iNaturalist to record it to find out more. I was doing a little weeding in my garden yesterday and I found a ton of this stuff, whatever it is. Kind of reminds me of an onion or a green onion or something, but I don't really know what it is, so I'm going to submit it to iNaturalist and see if someone can help. I also noticed these mushrooms. Mushrooms kind of give me the heebie-jeebies because my dog ate one a while ago and I was really worried because I know a lot are poisonous. Luckily she was fine. But I always think it's a good idea to try to identify mushrooms that are in your yard just in case.
I found this really neat creature, actually alive and crawling around, a couple weeks ago at night, or at least one that looked exactly the same. Unfortunately, it looks like he may have lived his life for about as long as he needed to, but I think I'm still going to take a picture of it and submit it to iNaturalist because I'm really curious about what kind of animal it is.
My best guess is that it's some kind of millipede, I'm thinking about that because I noticed it has a lot of body segments, body parts, and also that it has 2 legs coming out of each segment on each side.
I found this crazy thing while I was on a walk yesterday, actually, and I knew I wanted to come back and try to use iNaturalist to figure out what it is, because I really have no idea. Check it out.
Oh boy, what is this thing? It is super slimy and appears to be leaking out of this coast redwood. Okay, we'll just take a quick picture of that. Not going to touch it since I don't know what it is. So that's iNaturalist. You should definitely give it a try and let us know what you find. But for now, let's move on to another community science project.